The idea came to my mind because we always do auctions to raise money for the foundation, but more important, I wanted an auction to also send a message in these troubled times that India actually can have people who are inclusive and secular and democratic and way outside of the fringes of debate that are happening nowadays, where it seems like sometimes the country is losing its senses. It's 16 of the greatest Indians have donated their own personal memorabilia because they want the proceeds of that to go to the foundation. We've called it the idea of India because we believe that these 16 Indians really epitomize the idea of India, both with their talent and their worldview, the way they work, the way they have collaborated, the way they uphold all those foundational principles of India, which is a secular, democratic, inclusive country. So we have Javed Akhtar Saab, Shabana Azmi, Abhinav Bindra, Charles Correa, Amitav Ghosh, Subodh Gupta, so many, Amir Khan, Ustad Amjad Ali Khan Saab. The list is long and illustrious.
देखिए, इसमें शबाना जी का और मेरा दोनों का कुछ छोटा सा उसमें कंट्रीब्यूशन तो हम क्या कहेंगे, इट्स राहुल बोसेस आइडिया, राहुल बोसेस इवनिंग एंड इट इज़ हिज एंडेवर. हम तो बहुत ही मामूली सा कंट्रीब्यूशन है हमारा. मैंने अपने ग्रैंडफादर की हुआ था वेरी वेल नोन पोएट, अपने फादर की हुआ था नोन पोएट, अपनी पोइट्री और अपने दोनों बच्चों की पोइट्री उनकी ओरिजिनल हैंड राइटिंग में उनके पेजेस दिए हैं जो कि एक फ्रेम में है. शबाना हैज़ गिवन हर गोल्ड मेडल दैट शी गॉट एट फिल्म इंस्टीट्यूट. तो वो ऑक्शन होंगे दोनों. देखिए, ये ऑक्शन से खैर फंड रेज होता ही है, लेकिन उसके साथ एक दूसरी बात क्या होती है कि लोग सेंसिटाइज होते हैं, लोगों का ध्यान उस इशू की तरफ जाता है. उसके बाद जब वो कहीं पढ़ते हैं, कहीं देखते हैं, कहीं सुनते हैं, तो उससे फेमिलियरिटी होती है उनकी, और उसके लिए कहीं ना कहीं उनके दिल में एक सहानुभूति, एक हमदर्दी, एक एम्पैथी पैदा होती है.
मैं राहुल बोस का जो काम द फाउंडेशन के साथ है उसकी शुरुआत से ही उनके साथ जुड़ी भी हूँ, और मैंने देखा है कि राहुल का इस फाउंडेशन की तरफ एक मिशनरी ज़ील है, और इतनी मेहनत और इतनी लगन से वो करते हैं ये काम कि जब उन्होंने हमको अप्रोच किया तो मैं उनके साथ एक सोल्जर की तरह खड़ी हो गई, और मुझे ऐसा लगा कि जो मेरे लिए बहुत कीमती चीज़ है मुझे वो ही देना चाहिए फाउंडेशन को.
I'm very, I think it's a great honor for me to be associated with Foundation. Mr. Rahul Bose and all his friends who are involved, they are doing a great job, great service. Mr. Rahul Bose, when he met me, he asked me what can I give for this cause. So I offered my sarod, and I have given my sarod. It's very difficult to part a musical instrument which I am emotionally attached to.
I'm delighted to be here. Rahul is a dear friend and a co-actor, and has a great mind to put these kind of events together. He's really collected some of the finest pieces by some of the finest people in the country. So I've come here just to express my solidarity and also to take a quick peek at all the things, because I surely can't afford it. Well, he has a foundation which is called The Foundation, and he's raising money for it. I think these days people are getting more and more creative about how to raise funds, and not everybody, knows how to do that. So Rahul surely does. That's why I said he's managed to get some of the most amazing people of this country to donate their work. So yeah, I just wish him all the very best.